Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download the app of Qwenlm AI on your iPhone. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, you need to know that as of now, the Qwenlm AI app is not completely available in all of the regions. So the alternative way to access the Qwenlm AI is you can simply go to your preferred web browsers. Whether you are using an iPhone or Android phone, you can search for Qwenlm AI. From the search results, find the link with chat.qwenlm.ai and navigate to that website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You can easily create a new account with your Gmail account, your GitHub, or your email address. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now you are able to access the features of Qwenlm AI. So that's how you can access the Qwenlm AI instead of downloading the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.